Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. It's Jen on Acre by the Creek. Today's 2-Minute Tuesday is all about cut and come again lettuce and growing lettuce in a container. We are still under construction here on the front porch, so don't mind the mess, but basically container lettuces are super easy to grow. The containers that I have here are 12-inch pots. They have worked perfectly for growing these beautiful leaves of lettuce. Obviously my containers are already started here, but they're really easy to get started. All you want to do is put some potting mix into your container, put some fertilizer. I use a Dr. Earth Organic 463. Plant your seeds. You want to overseed it generously. Water your containers in, and soon enough you'll have plenty of lettuce to come. My experience with this was that they do look worse before they look better. So when all of your seedlings come up, you'll have a ton, and then it'll look like they're starting to die. And I was really worried about this, but basically your plants are just self-culling. And what that means is that they're in competition with another plant, so they're kind of weeding themselves out for you. Now, if you're looking to grow large heads of lettuce, this is not the method that you want to go. You want to plant those in with the correct spacing and all of that. But if you're just looking for leaf lettuce to have in your salads and things like that, this is the perfect way to go, because the reality is when you buy a head of lettuce or you grow a head of lettuce, you're cutting the butt off of it and slicing your leaves and eating it as a salad that way. So this just takes that whole step out of it and makes it really, really nice to have lettuce around. On my back deck, I have some more mature plants. So these ones were started several weeks earlier, and you can just see how amazingly these containers are doing. And up here we have some romaine, some baby romaine leaves. Same thing. Look at this, guys, how beautiful this is. And all you want to do is you come out, you snip your leaves, and then you're good to go on a salad. Now, like I said, I do put my Dr. Earth Organic fertilizer in here, but I still come out and fertilize these with liquid fertilizer every 7 to 10 days. Because these are in a container, they're going to drink a lot of water and they're going to need a lot of food to sustain themselves. So coming out with the immediate fertilizer really seems to help and let them take off. Really, the beauty in this container lettuce is how easy it is to harvest, so I'll go ahead and show you that. Just take your scissors in there and cut away. Now just look at all of this lettuce that I was able to get off of those 2 containers. Absolutely beautiful. If you learned something today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I'll be back on Friday with another video. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.